Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again later in Instagram Live. If you are using Instagram and now you want to go live on your Instagram, but you face this type issue that you cannot use Instagram Live at this time. So let's see how can you easily fix that. So you just have to go back from here. And the very first, you have to try to refresh your network. So now to do that, you have to scroll down your quick setting or your control center, and you have to make sure that you have a strongest and stable network connection. Then go back, open your app store here, search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find try to update your Instagram, then go back and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your setting. Go for general here, go for the option of VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back. Then you just have to go for a software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update from here. If you find pending software update, try to update your software. Then select the transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be an issue with your network, it will be fixed in this step. Then go for iPhone storage. If your issue is still not fixed, so you have to look for Instagram app here, tap on delete app, or you can also try to offload this app, tap on offload app, and after that reinstall the app. It will completely reinstall the app without deleting the app data. So after that, if there will be any junk or any virus in your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this step. Then you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you have to tap on your profile option here, then tap on three dots in the top right corner, and here just scroll down and look for the help option here. Tap on the help option and then select report a problem. Now just select report a problem without shaking here, and here select don't include or continue, and here you just have to explain the issue which you're having. You can also try to upload your photo here, or you can try to upload a screenshot here. Once you have uploaded your screenshot, you just have to briefly explain your issue here, and after that just tap on this send option here, and once you have sent, Instagram will reply you or it will fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.